Nakoro mokiko wadhi nyime en fungruok ne jopuonjre mag nasari e Kaonti ma Busia tok sirikand Kaonti ma Busia riwore kod riwruoge mamoko mar chako gedo mag kilese kaachiel kod chope e sikunde. En chenro ma osechaki madhi nyime kopogore kod bende chiwo chiemb migago ne jopuonjrego e yo maonge kod chudo ne jopuonjre maromo 46,000 e Kaonti ma Busia. Jonyuol gi jopuonj bende oyango ni chenrono dhi siro somb jopuonjre mag nasari ka oyangore ni jopuonjre mamoko osebedo ka rem dhi e skul kaluwore gi rach mag kilese, okang' mosemiyo mineme makogi wira ni somo gitimo e bwo yien.
Mashule kunapata maji, kunapata macho, kunapata na furaha tele. Hakuna shida yoyote. Sasa ziko kwa town. Watoto wakitoka huko wanasema mama, nyanya, shule yetu siku hizi sijui ni Nairobi ya Kisumu. Ninasema ni Lwanyange.
Ni kama kitambo tulikuanga na madudu inashika watoto miguu, hata mtoto hawezi tembea vizuri afike shule. Unapata mtoto amekaa hapo kwa njia, miguu imekataa kutembea. Lakini kwa saa hii naona shule yetu itakuwa safi, madudu haitashika watoto wetu. Waendelee kutusaidia sana hata kwa mashule ingine.
We are also moving towards developing ECD centers, unlike what we've been doing previously, where we've just been doing classrooms. And I think that is where early childhood development starts. And we are very privileged to have the partnership with ICAD and Help a Child, who are even helping us bridge the gap in terms of infrastructure. And I think even as a department, as a county government, last financial year we were able to do 96 classrooms. And this financial year we are targeting to do a further 63. And I think in Nambale alone we did about 10. And we are very grateful for ICAD and Help a Child for helping us bridge that infrastructural gap.